Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Ricardo here. Today I found a video that I think it's very interesting because it allows you to find out which videos convert more viewers into subscribers, and I think we should grab this and study our videos and try to do the same things we did on these ones so we can do more of this and get more subscribers and more conversion. So let's jump into my analytics. I'm gonna tell you how to do it. It's really simple. So let's do this. Okay, first of all, I just want to say that I'm almost at 300 subs. So yeah, if you have friends that need to subscribe more channels, want to check more channels, grab mine, subscribe. Okay, let's go. Analytics. So let's go audience, and then you want to scroll down, see more, and yeah, here. So you want to go to video on the left, and then you want to change the time to, I don't know, maybe let's say lifetime. Why not? So you're gonna see which videos performed better, converted better. So there's fields here we don't really need, so let's hide it. So you only need to keep the first two, viewers and watch time. Actually, views, it's enough. So let's hide impressions as well, and average duration as well. Now, let's leave average duration. Let's grab watch time and hide it, and let's add subscribers gained. Okay, with this, we can have a better overview. From here, you can already see which video gives me more traffic. So I have this viral video, and it gives me 99.4% of traffic, which it is nice because I have a lot of views through this video, but it kind of sucks because every time I do a new video, I have no chance of competing with this one. I mean, I have, but it's very small. Okay, so let's keep going. So you want to go into export current view on the top right corner and grab Google Sheets. Okay, this will open a file directly into your Google Drive. So if you have a pop-up blocker, you want to press OK, time off, timed out. So yeah, Google Sheets again. Okay, it's gonna ask me, oh, okay, this time pop-up blocker didn't work. Very good. So, okay, let's use the fields we need and hide the ones we don't. We don't need to know this one. So delete column, video publish time. We don't need this as well. So delete column. And then what we want to do is we're going to write total here. You'll see why later. And let's just align it to the right. So this is the total of my channel. And then you want to basically actually grab and hold this tree, create a filter, and then we're gonna do click here and not this one, wait, first here, okay, right click here, insert one left, and here we're gonna calculate conversion. Okay, conversion. Okay, and then you need to write the formula. So basically I'm gonna grab subscribers gained, divide it through views, and press enter. Actually, this was just stupid. Okay, sorry, don't press views, press the numbers, of course. So let's say this. Okay, yay, we have a number. Okay, so format is percentage, and then we get, so my overall conversion is 0.08. This is crap. Anyway, grab the small, let me do it again. Grab the small square if you don't know to do it, and drag and drop it, drag to the end of the list, and here you have your conversions. So what you can do now is click here, filters, and sort from Z to A, and this is going to show you ordered by the most converted, the most conversion to the least conversion. Okay, don't forget that this line here is the total, so this doesn't really count, shouldn't really be here, but it doesn't hurt. Anyway, so I can see that for me, the video that converted more was this one here. But compared to, wait a second, because I had 420,000 views on this video, this only means I had like only 0.06 conversion, which is just very weak. But anyway, I heard that the normal will be something between 2 and 3%. So I would say these ones here are like normal conversion. And then I have my top 3 over here. I can just highlight it, and you can see like 5.8. I think it's great for me. And then 4.7, 3.5. So a considerable less amount of views and a very nice subscribers gain number. Anyway, I hope this helped you, and let me know what you think and what you find in your analytics. Maybe you can grab one of your top performers and go through the video and see what did you do there, if you talked in a different way, or if you look more to the camera, or if you make more jokes, or whatever you did during this video, or even if you just have like a more specific content on this video. Maybe there's a specific content or a specific subject you focus there, and maybe you can make more videos about this thing, and maybe you can get more subscribers. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just trying to help. I hope you guys like this one. Let me know what did you find in your channel. Okay guys, take care and talk to you later. Bye.